Umama wangilahla. Yabo,
Okay.
umntwana ya wangilahla, and then maqeda kungilahla ngasala nenye family like I think ngizalelwa ku village but called Sheila. And then maybe something like 15 k's or 20 k's from where ngizalelwa khona. My mom left me lapho.
Okay.
Nomunye usisi. And then it was from lo sisi loyo who angazi arrangement, but mina ngibona as a trafficking. Then I started
Yeah.
yabo ngiba stotunyana saxabana masixabana ngibona ngathi bayang-abuse umntwana, and especially umntwana onama issues bona ngathi bayang-abuse, and nginenkani mina ngiyaphendulana, very confrontational so ugcina sewuba nalento abantu babi, even nobaba la lo ngikhulisile lo bengilusa lo baba bekangishaya, but into engithanda bekangishaya ngoba I deserved, but ebekakushaya lekone ngidobhile on a serious note ngayidoba. Bengihambe estradeni like nale jangele ngayidobha. So into ngayidiscover that is about ukuchitha igazi.
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Mraro and we are back again with another amazing episode. Guys, thank you so much for your support and your love, the comments, the shares, the likes. It all makes a massive difference to the community that we're trying to build, and we really appreciate you. If you want to see if your account has been spotlighted this week as one of those that have been commenting, look below. You'll try and see if you can get your handle right there. But alternatively, my name is Mraro once again and I'm your host for the day. Yes, we do share painful, sad stories on this platform, and we don't do it because it's fun. We do it because it's necessary. We're trying to raise our level of awareness so that we can all come to one understanding in terms of the issues that we go through as individual South Africans, so that when you also go through whatever it is that our guests went through, you also have a better understanding of how to navigate that issue. Don't hesitate to contact us if you want to be part of the show. We're going to share a number below. Don't hesitate to drop a WhatsApp, to drop a DM, to drop a comment, and to say, hey, Mraro, I want to come through and share my story. I am more than willing and ready to share this platform with you. Guys, today we've got another guest who felt it necessary that they make their way through. Without wasting time, let me welcome our guest to the studio. So, thank you so much for making time, Uzela, to come and share your learnings with me and our viewers.
Okay, good.
Yeah, so uputting zothi ubani wakuphi?
Okay, nguSifiso Terence wakasibeko.
Okay.
I usually say aka Thabiso Lucas Nah.
Okay.
Because nginamagama awu4 nama neighbor ezithu.
Okay.
So ngihlala eSoweto manje, but ukuzalwa ngizalelwa eNorthwest.
Okay.
Northwest is just on your way to Emahike mawusuka la. There's a little town but Electimberg. And then there was a village called Ishila. I was born lapho. That's where my mom gave me amagama uSifiso Terence, and then ubaba wakasibeko.
Okay.
But later on, just to wihloniphekisa, I got separated from my mom as umntwana omncane, and then from lapho I was kind of trafficked ukuthi ngiyoba shepherd boy to another village. And then that's where later on ngiye rename to be Thabiso Lucas wakanah. The Nahes family hibo bangithathile to be their shepherd boy.
So are you related to them?
I'm not related. Like njengoba ngishilo. Okay, thingibeke kahle. Umama wangilahla. Yabo, umntwana ya wangilahla, and then maqeda kungilahla ngasala nenye family like I think ngizalelwa ku village but called Sheila. And then maybe something like 15 k's or 20 k's from where ngizalelwa khona. My mom left me lapho.
Okay.
Nomunye usisi. And then it was from lo sisi loyo who angazi arrangement, but mina ngibona as a trafficking because bengazi no one from my family, my actual family, which angithi mama mungilahlile. So I was taken from closest law to another village called Ikhanalagti to be a shepherd boy.
Okay.
So mangifika lapho later on, after that was during the Buputatswana era, Lucas Mangu Mangopeya era. So after 1994, you know, South Africa, Buputatswana and Transvaal and the likes became one South Africa. So that's and then the children's rights came, and then bonke abantwana sekumele baye esikolweni. So that's when ngathatha ngayisa esikolweni. So obviously mangiye esikolweni mele kube ne sort of documentation. And bona ngathi bebazi only igama kunegama engaliphiwa umkhulu wami wathi uDablamazi. So they only knew lelo gama lelo, so that's not a valid name ukuthi ulisebenzise, especially when it comes to official documents.
Yeah.
Because I don't know, for whatever reason there's no documentation that say umamam.
Yeah.
So they had to bangibhalisa ukuthi okay uThabiso. I don't know how that name came about.
Ish.
But to Thabiso, and then uLucas yimi ngazipha lona.
Okay.
Later on nangifunda. So it was just a funny thing. Ngicale isikole ngina-11 because I was a shepherd boy, remember?
Okay.
So during sports January mangisafika esikolweni masilibele abantwana babhalisa amagama. This guy bekababuza igama lakho asho, and then athi lesilungu. So mina nginegama eliwani uThabiso kuphela ngahlala anginegama lesilungu. What if I'm going to be disqualified? So I on the fly ngacabanga uLucas. I don't know.
Okay.
Lucas, and that's how I became Thabiso Lucas.
I think you touch a very sensitive matter there, and I want to jump into it a little bit with your mom, Uguti, the lady who had handed you over to the other family. What happened there in that scenario when your mom left you behind? What's her story?
That story leso mina khane manje now that thing emdala say I'm trying to make sense of everything. Like umama first bekaphuma ku toxic family beba rich banamasimu and stuff. So what happened ngathi umama enamakasho her version of the story beka favorite ka gogo wakhe.
Okay.
So and then while she was pregnant with me ubaba wami kuyo beka drive. Beyiphathola i-accident. Kuleyo accident kwashona ugogo kamama, which is ukhokho wami.
Okay.
And then ifamily yakhe yathi umbulele because you were her favorite, ufuna ukudla imali zakhe nendoda yakho.
Okay.
Baxosha umama wami while she's pregnant, and then bekanomntana usisi wami bamxosha. So mabamxosha bekaphuza naye. That's where she left i-village wayohlala eBudibe. eBudibe lapho bekumuntu ahamba ehlala. And then she met umngani lo etshwaleni.
Okay.
So and lo mngani lo ushadile ohlala nendoda yakhe banomntana omncane. So I don't know what happened, but based on her into bekahlezi ayisho makabuye etshwaleni makangishaya, like mawungabheka la ngine guys ningi, I know abantu abani. One day umunye umuntu wangibheka inhloko wathi wena if boy inyoni kubushonile. They unamanxeba ngakhona lamanxeba lawa ngawathola ngemncane. The moment like lo sisi lo bekathi makangishaya thina ngwana sifebe mahuna nje lamuna. So I didn't know what it meant back then.
Okay.
So but mase ngikhulile sengiunderstand. Ngathi usisi uye wabhaqa umama ngathi nendoda yakhe they were having some affair. Makalwa nomama wadla phansi. Wabaleka washiya mina. That's how I got stuck nalo sisi lo.
Okay.
And then lo sisi lo beka related nalo umama lo beka shate kaNarhe. And then bona kaNarhe, which is far away from la bengihlala khona, they had livestock, so bebafuna shepherd boy.
Okay.
And then manje lo sisi lo nomfana astake naye angamfuni mama akhe beka yabo.
Yes.
So that's how lo sisi lo angihenda over ukuthi ngiyoba their shepherd boy.
Okay.
Hence mina ngithi it's a bit trafficking because I was taken there for child labor, which is sort of a child exploitation. And then therefore it wasn't an official arrangement. It was not an adoption or abakhulumanga na any of my family.
And at what age was that when you were handed over to the other family?
I think if bengimdala bengina 8. If bengimdala, but mina mangicalculate ngibuza around, I think around 6, 7. Yeah.
But you still remember?
Yeah, I remember a lot of things. Some, but I ngikhumbula umama mbeka khona, the next thing mama makasekho. I don't know angikhumbuli leyo scene le. Some scenes angikhumbuli perfectly, but those ones that stands out.
And then upon your arrival in that family, the Nare family.
The Nage's family, Nage. Yeah.
On the Nage. Okay. How were you received there? Do you remember?
To be honest, that was something it came for me na be proper family structure.
Okay.
And then beba nothando. They were good people, and from la bengiphuma khona ngivele ngajabula mina ukuthi
Okay.
phela lapha bengishawa njalo because I was forced ukuthi ngibe babysitter sipheke.
Okay.
They would go abazali baye eBahrain bebahlala eBahrain sekumele sipheke and then ukuthi sipheke usually what we normally do losisi bekanomntana almost wentombazana ongangami.
Okay.
So besishintsha nama 10 insida kuhamba mina ngeBahrain so butha ama container wotshwala la kunala utshwala bakudala ama Chibuku and 77 bekwama box container box besibutha la ama box la sizopheka ngawo.
Okay.
Yabo ngasikhathi utsida upheka lenkukhu yasekhaya emnyama upheka ingulube
Ish.
ngama box yabona so yabona and obvious ukudla kuvuthwa sibancane we don't know what you're doing abafika ukudla kuvuthwa ngabazokushaya babuya baxabana nento takhe bazokushaya so mangisuka ngiya ku the Nages family lapha yana ngishawela into engiyenzile
Okay.
ngimane ngishawe nje and then umama is wonderful woman guys into African spirituality guy spiritual person.
Okay.
So to be honest mina ngeke ngayithanda and bengi sort of cheese boy because lapha yana like be rich family
Okay.
you know emakhaya abantu abanemfuyo nanani yabona so for mina ngayijabulela kwaba
was much
into ukuthi
better.
yeah it was way
And
better.
then, at what point do you realize that this is the reason why I was brought here? Do they communicate it to you and tell you, "Ukuthi mufika lapha, this is the reason why you're going there," or do you sort of find it in between the lines?
I'm not sure just ukuthi ngibe fair I don't know whether they did communicate or what but mina mangifika lapha usually the way ngikhumbula ngakhona mangifika lapha they just bangitshela ukuthi uhlala la so kuzohlala la ekhaya lakho leli besikhuluma isitswana xodula mo wabona kila la hawo and then from lapho they hand you over to an older guy ukuthi akugroom akutrain into
Okay.
how the shepherding baqala futhi ulusizimvu uqala before lusinkomo because
Okay.
inkomo zifuna ngathi ube mdala sometimes and then yabo so I don't think bayebangitshela like uduzelela ukuba
Okay.
shepherd boy but uyabona nawe and remember mina already sengina that thing ukuthi I knew ukuthi angisumntana la so it was more like I know bangenzela ifavor.
Oh, makes sense.
Yabona and I think sometimes isinayo lento le as humans we want to be useful so if ngine task engiyenza I will feel useful.
Okay.
Yabona
Okay,
okay, at least I'm doing something
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
And then are you continuing school in between?
Angifundi until sengina 11. That is 1995 then. Ngimdala I know 19 bangithathe bangise esikolweni and then mangiceda kwenza grade 2 babangekisa isikole because now I'm participating kuma sports and then sengenzani angisayenzi my initial thing engizelela kuba shepherd but I remember washo straight ukuthi phela wena awuzelanga la kuzofunda you are mudisa meaning you are a shepherd and then wangiquitisa isikolo wathi ayikayeki isikolo lo mfana isikolo simenza ukuthi na abo ngayeki isikolo and then that's where my biological sister shows up.
Okay.
Mase ngiyeki isikolo sengibuyele ngiyohlala entabeni and then ngiyayenza so the thing lapho to help maybe na my upbringing was first I mean nala ngiyakhona ekugcineni ukuthi si understand and it's not a justification it's just my observation.
Yeah.
Yabo ukuthi first ngiqale life yami iqale ngeabuse yabo lo sisibeka ngishaya and I think as umntwana you observe and then you absorb whatever happens in your environment and sometimes that especially if it's not attended to earlier it can shape your world view yabona so and then from lapha sengi shepherd boy ku shepherd boy bebasilwisa ngesizulu bathi bayaqhatha
Okay.
yeah bayanqhatha ukuthi nilo so leyo nto le ngenkani bebayenza bakufaka inkani ukuthi ukwazi ukulwa ukwazi uba confrontational and then mina that into leyo already angry angithi anger nyana of some sort because the observation is I was treated like a foreigner. Yabona masidlala nentanga zethu if ngishaya intanga yethu rolimaza intanga yethu no one I mean mangishaya intanga yethu mina bazongishaya futhi uthi ushaya intanga yakho kwaleni idlala but mina intanga yami mayingishayile no one stands up for me yabo sometimes bayangipatreka mangishaya wena umjida uzongena ngathi uyakhuza angibambe uthi ushaya yabona le nto le create anger in me. So that's how my journey violence ngathi yaqala lapho and then until my sister comes azongithatha sengiyohlala naye ke back to the village la ngizalela khona.
Yeah, before yalapho ukhulume ngokuhlala entabeni. or was it?
No, kuhlala entabeni like usually not akazange ngiye entabeni
Okay.
but angithi masilusa le entabeni
All
vele
right,
ngolusa la
okay,
le kude
okay,
far
all right.
far
Makes
far away
sense,
yeah.
makes sense, yeah. And then sisters uyeza.
And then my sister comes ngiyohlala naye back to the same house la mama bekahlala khona mabamxosha but at the time sokuhlala umkhulu wami which is uyankeli la ka mamam.
Okay.
And then besimbiza umkhulu wami nohlala nosisi wami the rest sebahambile sebabuyele ngapha eSoweto.
Okay.
My mama akekho ngaleso sikhathi. Okay, and then mangifika I think boma 13 khona lapho already nginama own issues nani. So after a year or so I think maybe usisi wami uyakhumbula ngagcina sengibaleka ngingasahlala endlini.
Okay.
And then this is a village akuna street kid. So first ngigcina ngilala la ngihlala emndenini yabantu and then eventually ngigcina sengihlalela ngiyi-one. Usually emakhaya kuna angithi abantu abaningi bayeza ngapha ema-town bazosebenza abanye bala eJozi abanye base Rustenburg because of mines and stuff. So abanye uthola ukuthi umuntu ushiya indlu emakhaya banezindlu most of abantu ushiya indlu le ndlu lezo bekuyindawo zami zokulala.
Okay.
Awufanele ngiyolala la sometimes.
But now I want to understand, Uti, what took you out of that home environment? What actually was happening for you to decide to live there?
I think ama abandonment issues wami got like mangifika I thought ukuthi my sister uzongithanda ngendlela bengifuna ngakhona because ngihlungane nomama sasomntwana so I would always long for ukuthandwa because all along libele ngiyasetshenziswa nani yabo. So but mangifika usisi wami naye mncane and bengingazi mina bengitshela ukuthi uhambe nomama kanti naye umama wamlahla.
Okay.
Wayenza the same thing yabona so naye akazi next ufanele nami and akakhulumi and mina ngibona ngathi uyangineglect and then I started nami yabo ngiba stotunyana saxabana masixabana ngibona ngathi bayangi-abuse umntwana and especially umntwana onama issues sibona ngathi bayangi-abuse and nginenkani mina ngiyaphendulana I'm very confrontational ngiyangala sorry for the language ngiyangala ngiyaphuma sengiyihlalela ngiyi-one.
Okay. And then now you start then house hopping.
House hopping yeah. So at that time ngiyafunda. So the only way yokuthola ukudla is feeding scheme or makunomncwabo village or umsebenzi yabo kula ngidla khona. So kunamalanga la ukuthi akulaleki indlala. So that's where I got the ideas. Damn man angeke ngilambe kanje. And emakhaya most of the time akunamapatla ama-window nje abanamapatla and stuff. Security kusemakhaya crime wasn't that much. Abantu bebatshontshelana izimvu. Crime inyana bekuyilo umuntu utshontsha inkukhu umuntu utshontsha amaqanda kamakhi. That was the crime yabo. So mina ngicine ngithi hayi ngilambile phela. And then I had an idea ukuthi ngiphule endlini zabantu just ukuyodla kuphela. Ngiphula ngingene la fanele ngiyodlala ngemabhotweni ngidle.
Okay.
Angitshontshe next ngiyadla kuphela ngiyaphuma.
Okay.
But yes, the more izinto and ngiba master I'm able ukungena ngiphume undetected.
Okay.
Akekho umuntu owazi until sengiba nama ideas mana about ngitshontshe ukudla or tshontshe something of value ngithengise. Yabona and I started stealing.
Okay.
That's now gcina sengiyatshontsha for survival. Yabo ebusuku ngiyavuka emakhaya kumnyama. I would wake up ebusuku ngabo 12 bekuyinkathi zami especially makunethi imvula abantu ama ceiling so kunethi imvula amazenke kuyarasa noma ngakhahlela ibhodoliwe abeze.
Yo, tell me about that first house that you went into when you decided ukuthi manje indlala yangibhayizisa manje ngingena kuphi. Tell me about that experience.
I remember bekumkhulu nomagogo bebahlala boyi-2. Actually yazi abotsotsi abayi labangazi khona. So bebanokungithumba. So I know ukuthi umkhulu nomadala nomkhulu.
Okay.
And mangilibele ngiyayibheka into so abona i-window le handle le ngiphula la. Kancane ngithi kancane nje incrack not ukuthi ngiyiphula. As once ya cracker sengifaka idrat eqinile boat rat mawuyifaka uthi just ngithi ivuleke into bese ngiyenza so icrack leya sometimes bebahlala isikhathi eside bangayiboni because it's a small crack inyana yabo yangifake into ngingena yakhumbula mangena angithi maye sengimephile indlu enhloko yami because I know the place. So ngiyazi mangena la kule window ngizokwazi ukunavigate kanjani nganavigate kahle ngabamba so ngale ngibamba ibhodo wangibamba ibhoda ngifaka isandla phela ngizo
Yeah.
so ngizomsobho
Yeah.
ngizomsobho ngithi ngifaka mangifaka ayisha amanzi ezitsha bathe ipapa bebadla ipapa bathela amanzi ezitsha
Yo.
mina ngithi umsobho yabo ngiyabamba umsobho nyana
Yeah,
wani
nepapa, yeah.
hey sala amanzi amanzi ezitsha flip Vikete funa ukuthi yezo kubamba izambane ngathi izambane lazo ngathi izambane hayi ladleka so ipapa yile balithela amanzi ishebo nyana zikhona ngidla ishebo yabo mara kufani ngidlile nyana izambane stash siyabamba nyana angiceda ngiphuma ngivala and then sengizoya ku the second house futhi yabo the second house lapho bebathengisa at least bekuse into Jonty Sinkwa neArch navigate amabhodo wa clean bawashile navigate ngithola isinkwa anginatosh it's just in mapping like mina I'm a visual person like I'm a visual person like I tend to visualize things so I would map indlu ngiyazi ukuthi mangiya lapha enteso ngithola lapha enteso ngithola lapha
Okay, but I would not fear, you're not scared ukuthi hey phela manje la if something goes wrong here.
I think meditation bengayazi meditation what it does meditation it's like I think as humans we are spiritual beings, that's my understanding manje and your mind has a creative ability, you create realities and then the more you create it more, the more you engage your mind ucabanga kakhulu ngale nto le it becomes real in you and then into that you go for it awusaboni enye into so mina I would meditate ngalezi zinto because ngihlala ngiyi-one meditate about le ndlu engiyongena kuyo there's things wenza to an extent that the rest ayingiboni as something exista I don't see threat I don't see in so I just ngiyakuleyo nto le angicabanga that's why the other thing ngithi bengenza ebusuku makunethi imvula I was sometimes i-weather bengingayenzi njalo bekungasi an everyday thing yabo sometimes ngizoyenza ngamalanga thize sometimes yabo so mostly ngizoya ebusuku lokho ngabo 12 maquiet izinja lazi khonkotha ko
yeah
la ngiyakhona lapho ngiyazibalele yabo and at that time angisabi next because of I created that into in me ukuthi okay ngizibona ngingena lapha ngenza whatever ngiyenza so I will just be relaxed and I think it was because of the image I've already created within me and vele almost my criminal activities bokuba njalo I have to sit down first ngicabange into and mangicabanga ngicina angisacabangi anything angisasabi
yeah I think then going through then to the next stage that you were telling me about, Uguchi, then you started to take it a level up, okay? Yeah. Tell me about that going forward, Uguchi. How does that work out?
Okay. Ngaleso sikhathi angahlangana nomama. My mom shows up in the scene. I think mas 2000 she shows up. Ayeze mageza uhlala eKhuma eStelfontein somewhere in northwest around Klerksdorp. She shows up magafika angithathe ngiyohlala naye. At the time usebenza emakitchen sekanobhuti wami ungilama masifika beku December mangifika no beku December ka 99 kuzoba uDecember so mina mangifika January abelungu bakhe bayahamba la bekasebenza khona emakitchen lahlekelwa isipani and then first eKhuma kwenziwa igangsterism even namanje kwenziwa igangsterism outside igangsterism like ema-K flats yabona lento ukuthi you find amajita abagijimisana ngamaphanga abadubulana estradini camps kuna itrata ongangeni kuzo kuna that's where ngacala kushaya le ituka khona but le ituka lezi kwaba yimi bengifaka yabo so ngangikaboshwa this time ngangena ngihlala nomama ulahlekelwa umsebenzi ngicala zashu
but tell me first about your transition ukuthi musuka le labo uhlala khona uyi-one when you're house hopping how do you then meet up nomama again? How does that happen?
Yeah, umama uze kusiswami ekhaya kumaluka amaluma makafika lapho obvious bazongitshela umama khuzile ngize yabo ngilala endlini sengizolala endlini because my old lady khona yambona but I'm curious ngina all these questions but asikhulumi kakhulu but that feeling ukuthi ayisande old lady at last yabo and khona ra kule village le ithama lami likhona mangifika mangibuya la ngibuya khona ku eGanalacht la bengishepherd khona ngel approach ile time la ngiphika yabo a creator ikwalinyana of some sort kahle ya add ku engayambe senginayo.
Okay.
Yabo. So now kufiki old lady, my only hope in terms of parents old lady and then leyasho ngizokuthatha engijabule akufana. Makaqeda kuhamba angithi ngisafunda bekafike I think beku during the year and then wathi kudanga ngizokulanda into ngahlala nyana nobusisi bami ngahlala kahle ngahlala ngathi ngahlala azange ngisazula ngistowed already mara kwaba into ukuthi ngiyahlala endlini because ngiyakhumbula during that year kula ngahlukumeza bona bebahamba nesikhiya ngithi but wena uyaganga bahambe nesikhiya
Okay.
Bese indlu yasendlini ejardini wonke ama window bese aphukile just think mabaqeda kuhamba bayahlanya laba ngingena ngewindow ngiyodla
Yeah.
zonke lezo zinto so babekezela I think it's because of umama uvelile and so bathi simbekezelele because uzohamba
Okay.
kula ngihamba khona sengisekhuma ke
Okay, uhamba noma ulady.
ngihamba mina ngoDecember singiyohlangabezana uma ulady
Okay.
ma ulady ungangithi uma ulady uvakashe during the year
Yeah.
and then mina sengilandela after ikolo ceda kuvalwa December isikhathi setwalatha.
Okay.
I remember mangifika le besijavela itwalatha
Yeah.
Tempo
Yeah.
Glen Lewis Tempo twalatha so ithola kanjani uhleli khona
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
uMandoza
Okay.
Chiscope yeah.
So how old by then?
I think because mina I always like my ID which is isibongo leSkanach then identity ngithole kanach yiyo ebasuke bangipha a date of birth so mina bengilibele ngisebenzisa yona olalo until umama mina at that time ngazi I think bengina 13 at that time until my mom comes but angitshela ukuthi I'm 3 years older uthi manje because olalo mina ngazi ukuthi ngisebenzisa le identity yakanakhe because bengazi anything about my age nana so nge age kamama I think bengina 15 ngizothena 16
Okay.
mara ngisase primary cabanga ngumalume waseclassini ngimude because I remember mangiya kuyohlala ne old lady bengenza grade 4 I think
Okay.
grade 4 yeah I think bengenza grade 4
Okay.
mara mangifika lapha na lesa sikole sana
Push.
bang promoter because in 1 year ngifunde grade 4 from grade 4 ngajumpa grade 5 azange ngimfunde in my life bangijumpisa from grade 4 bangisa ka grade 6 besibiza standard 4 from ka grade 6 the next term bangichecka so mina ya ingqondo zona zikhona yabo and then from lapho kwaba igroup ngaba amale group by promoter from ka grade 4 bayisa ka grade 7 which is standard 5 and within the same year
Okay, would
so
you
at
say
least
that caught you up? Yeah.
yangizamanyana
So hambili uhlala nomama. What's your feeling?
okay ubuya sengijabulile mara nginama question ngishiya kanjani bengintwana ngenzeni abo and ngimbeke phansi so I think beyangekho sharp uma old lady because she started wangixoxela a scene first kamfowethu ukuthi lo mfowethu ongilama umama muke wahlangana nomunye guy uZulu guy bekanama mines and stuff because ngale Little Stop kunama mines fana neRustenburg yabo
Okay.
so and then kugcwele all these people Zulus, Xhosa, Sothos yabo yazi abesuthi the diamond
Yeah. True.
so wahlangana nalesi guy wase Natal and then wa meet
Okay.
and then maka eNatal wa discover ukuthi uguy unesithembu maka fika le and then umithi unomntwana and then bekahamba nobhuti wami bekasasemncane so uthi yena maka asho mama uthi lapha bebamloya ngazi kwenzekani waphuma wabaleka makaphuma wabaleka washiya ubhuti wami nomntanakhe lomncane usisi wami namanje since wamshiya ngaleso sikhathi azange aphinda abuye angimazi usisi wami wabaleka kanjalo asishiya so maka narrate leso story leso simamele kona angazi uPeter Joshua Lucky Dube lengoma le when wherever you are I love you remember me something like that and uthi makukhala lengoma le bekakhumbula ubhuti wami athi ngizibuza ukuthi umntanami wenzani lapha eNatal udlala and engabambi kwala ngathi lo muntu uthini before she ubhuti wami ushiye mina and mina ngibali kusini
kule timeline yakho
ngibala ukhumbula mina engibe nekwala ngingazonda ubhuti wami for real ngamzonda unani yena lo uze after mina and kingathi yena umama is always stuck naye yabo ngibambi kwala the second kwale sakangixoxela athi kimi o lady beka uthi lapha ekhaya la usiswami sengihlala khona uthi yena beka nendlu or bekuyindlu i-room umkhukhu bekuyi-room or umkhukhu or something imari bekuyindawo yakhe uthi wayithola this one time isha because bekuyilesa sikhathi sama-candles so ngathi ikhandlela liwile and into beka implya yimi engishise indlu mangimamela so uthi uthole lelo room lisha ngishile namanje labona ngasha la and then lana emuva ngishile uthi uthole iroom lisha mina ngihleli phansi uthi ngincusi was a toddler angikhali ngishile mara uthi na huye athi kamusheba ngwana kari yo ngwana unalepilo embi mina ngambheka lo mntana ngathi lo mntana unenhliziyo embi
umncane kaso
so mina kimi ngathi ss ungilahle because she believed nginenhliziyo embi yabo because angithi akaphenduli and then in a story maka narrate about umfowethu angikho mina
yeah
ngathi lo muntu uyangizonda ngabona ukuthi okay ukushutile kwala ngizondela lona ile kwala ukuthi ngashisa ingotshe yakhe yabo ngathi flip engavele kula ngafunda khona about we are complex as humans and kunalento le ngayifunda later khona kunento abayibiza self concept. Self concept is like an onion and then within it in a different layers so within it kuna self image, your self worth, your self identity eventually you understand and the leonto layer it's once we formulate self concept whatever you do savor more for your self expression at most you express what you believe you are what you have accepted you to be so umama mangathi nginenhliziyo embi I shape how I see myself because self-concept is most how you see yourself and what I believe, the totality of my beliefs about myself. Man. And then sengikhumbula ukuthi avele bengishaya lezi ntwana lezi mabasilwisa le I was always going for a kill because bebana ukuthi mabakulwisa bobhuda ngithi bayenze bafaka inhlabathi lana la but mawufika bathi uthi akakusaba or uthukuma makho and then mina bebathi mabayenza so izandla kumele shaye inhlabathi mina bengiya for a kill bengishaya ubuso kulanda yabona so makasho kanje ngithi akushuthi nginenhliziyo embi vele yabona and then that's why now I started ngafaka lezi zinto lezi sengi experience ngomsomi but I couldn't join gangsterism because I understand the concept of umunye umuntu angibhoze yabona ngizoyenza umthetho mangibheka lento lezi ezikhulele la ekasi la engizotshelwa lento le ngoba iyasatshwa mina sengimele ngiyisabe so kahle kimbe kumele itsida mina ngibelieve in equals kumele sibe equal angeke ube boss yami and nama nga understand the concept ukuthi benga understand back then ukuthi because I would feel like if ngibayiboss ngiyenza lo subhuman in a sense yabona ukuthi yena kushuthi lesser than me because that's how I've been made to feel abantu ngathi ngihlezi ngiless ngathi ngifuna sibe equal to say siyafana so that's why ngingajoyina ngigangsterism but mase nginalento ukuthi sengiba ngizibona ngumuntu onenhliziyo embi nami nginenhliziyo embi ngaqala la sengifantasize about ukudisama abantu ibhamo mawuzwa lezi abesuthi phela ziphatha ama Russians ziphatha ama 38 ngabona i38 first time anti ale ngiyamthathela lesibhamu lesi.
So now maybe before we get there, so you're saying basically your view of yourself was reinforced by your mom. And automatically because she made that an apparent thing or an apparent philosophy to you, you then went back in the history of your timeline and you looked for the evidence.
Yes. Exactly.
When you look back, do you find the opposite? Right now, if you were to look back, before see package see rationalize going forward. You went back and you looked for that evidence that was, reinforcing what mom was saying. But when you look for the opposite, do you find that?
Yeah, the opposite was always there because, like, if I bengintwana eshap engathanda ukulo and most mangibheka labantu laba bengilwa lezi idelelayo ezibhosi that has always been my thing like ngishaya lezi esatshwayo like us and abo lezi isatshwayo lezi esidelelayo yizo lezi bengizenza so I realized ukuthi otherwise abantu bebangithanda le outil ukuthi thandwa abantu aba icherry kakhulu
Yeah.
and bengishapo yabo bengishapo abaningi namanje babohlekisa bengishapo bengi-out eshapo but problem ami umuntu ungadeleli omunye umuntu engikhona ungadelela umntwana ngikhona kuba yimi engifuna ukustand out uthini manje and maybe sometimes ngiyacupha ukuthi le ngiyibamba le ngasikade ngizokubambela ukuthi usuke wadelela umjida and bese ngiyakubamba so mangibheka ukuthi beyikhona but at the same time there was a good side of me and then before bengingatshontshi bengingayenzini bengingaziboni ngenza le I was just a normal kid
Okay, no, that's true. And then going forward, get back to where you were going.
Manje ngiqala uku-experimenta ikoni okay just ngenze ngamabomu ngaqala rana ikoni I hardly ngiphile without ikoni isikhwameni ngene ngisindisiwe mara ngifuna ubheke some things ne almost la khona la ekhuma ngoba igangsterism awukwazi ukuhamba ungaphathanga ikoni yabo and ngiphuma emakhaya remember emakhaya bengiphatha induku and induku is still protection awuhambi a shepherd boy ungaphathanga induku yabo so the concept of protection something to protect yourself awumelanga ukukhona it's either ngiphathe induku and kumele ngiphathe inja eluma nayo kumele ngikwazi ukutrain inja yami ukwazi ukuthi ngilume meaning esindoda awubaleki confrontational ebasifundise kunanoma kungaveli ibhubesi awubaleki awubaleki because your role ukuthi protect the sheep you understand so bakufake that mentality le and then mawufike ekhuma so yabona lapha igangsterism siphatha amaphanga zenzeni and then mawuhamba uya kwanala community uzokukhiphela imese and abesuthu lezi abatswana zakwazala lentana lezi kula ngiqala khona ke kuphathi khona and ngayiphatha agcina seyiba into ukuthi I don't see myself ngikwazi umuntu but sekuyinto ukuthi as a man you have to be protected to an extent that ngayiphatha rase ngiphatha ijangeli sengibenginayo namanje nginejangeli and the funniest thing is lekoni ngidopile on a serious note ngayidopa bengihamba estradeni like nale jangeli ngayidopa so into ngayidiscover la is about ukuchitha igazi ukuthi mara bengazi iBhayibheli mangiqala ngifunda iBhayibheli later on ngafind out uCain and Abel the encounter kaCain noNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu uthi kuCain the blood of your brother is crying from the ground yabo my take away lapho ukuthi igazi liyakhuluma hence almost all covenants noma yini rituals zifuna igazi because igazi liyakhuluma and then now mawuchitha igazi lomuntu umgwazi umuntu umshaya ngebhodlela as long as azuchitheka igazi in a spirit sense le nto le iyakhuluma in a sense and then ikhuluma in what sense you when uchitha igazi you are attracting like in a spirit world ukuthi kuna entities ithingibeka kanjalo personalities that are more of responsible for behavior sesiyenza like violence there's a spirit that administers violence ezenza sure ukuthi uhleza kufakela imiqondo ikufeede ngemiqondo nan ideas of perpetuating violence and that's where yangibamba khona lento leyo because ngine anger I want to vent and then angikwazi ukukhuluma I'm quiet guy I'm a shepherd boy remember angikwazi ukukhuluma I don't understand the concept of ukukhuluma and at the same time ngibelieve ukuthi there's something wrong because ngibelieve ukuthi there's something wrong I understand and angikwazi ukukhuluma so the only way to vent is through ukulwa you understand and then qala la ku-experiment ukwazi umuntu mawuphethe umese the law of ukuphatha umese once wawukhipha mawukhiphela umuntu not mawukhiphela umuntu kumele ukwazi the same thing with the law of igana awulibele usikhipha uthi ngizoku uyadubula you understand kumele usikhipha yabona so and then kanjalo you engage now in you shed a lot of blood and then the truth is as soon as mina ngenza lento le mina I knew because I'm very self-conscious I'm very self-aware the only person engiphile naye for the longest time mina ngimthatha serious yimi yabo and I know so and then I started from ekhuma that's where because bengilokhamba uthola into lezi isatshwayo lezi uthola ukuthi uyasatshwa mina I would want something ukuthi ngisukele le satshwa because ngifuna ne-anger awusatshwa wena ubani wena wawusatshwa kumele sikusabe kumele sahambe thina sesikolweni kumele sikekele ngathi angikekile mina bengiye esikolweni ngiphethe ijangela awayecala la ugwazana and
Okay.
I knew the moment ngikwazi umuntu I knew ukuthi I've changed. That whole experience changed me more than it did kulo muntu lo because from lapho ngathi ubuntu buyafa ngaphakathi kwakho hence kunale inkulumo lezi uza umuntu athi thema umbheka usoulless.
Okay.
Soulless meaning ubuntu buyafa element of ubuntu buyafa to an extent that ufika la if you continue long enough ufika la ukubulala umuntu is not a problem.
Yeah. I think you had spoken about disarming, but Zobuya Gule, I wanted to go back to that first instance, Moyo Kwazumuntu. What exactly happened? I'd like you to tell me about the situation as it was, but also tell me about what was happening when you look back at Kandalako and inside of you.
Okay. Lentwana le yashayana imhlophe. Beyondile. Beyijayiva nje beshayana yasatshwa point engiyaku eskele. Akunankinga nayo all along until kuba nomunye umntana ongithandayo.
Okay.
Umntana ngithande le ngathi bejola lo mntana. And then lo mntana lo akasayifuni.
Okay.
And manga sayifuni lento le ukuthi yasatshwa. Yabona? And then le ngoba manje ifuna iyangibona ukuthi ngibhizi nalomntana ngasikhathi ngijoli mina ngicala ukujola late like I had benginama issues wami ngisabe nginegwawawa bayabuthi real time nginegwawawa ngikwazi ukuyibeka ngihlezi ngiplome nabo chiri mara ngisho next then noma ngitshopela ama uthathi ushayila uzoqamba amanga ngenzanga next ngiyashabo so manje le yenzeni kunomunye umngani wami uThabo nabo le awuthi le yenzeni ihlukumeza umngani wami instead ihlezi yenza umngani wami and then manje uyakhumbula mina ngitheni angizwani neboss yena nomuntu yabo and then futhi lo mntana lo angitshele ukuthi lo muntu mina ngisamfuni abo sengiba nekwala ngithi ngizoyibamba and then manje ekela ngama Friday la isuka khona yabo mangabe nizolwa kula isuka khona at that time first bengasumese ngathatha i-cable ye-brick ye-car yabo ama brick yenza i-cable so bengakanyana so ngayifaka phakathi kwensimbi abona insimbi like so bese ngiyayenza kube ngathi isitswepu so ngifaka phakathi kwesikhwama ngayifaka phakathi kwesikhwama ngasibamba la phambili isikhwama saphuma Fridays sokugcwela abantwana besikolo sebayazi ukuthi kuzoliwa and then mina ngiyazi angikho mina ngiyaquthela like ngilezi like of a killer angisudinga nthobela ukuthi le ngiyazi ashayana ngiyazi dale angeke ngithathe face to face yongura le phambi kwabantwana abangaka and then mina ngikhona ukuyithatha i-loss because already I'm feeling otherwise about myself so I can't take a loss yabo ngithi ngiyibhaxabula le so abantwana most of the time some things you don't anticipate them you don't expect umntana uzokulimaza kabi so le mase sifika la usually kujwayele ukwenziwa isekele khona ngakhumbula ngifike ngamabi kune itshe almost elingaka phela elikhulu lemhlophe so ngama kule eceleni kwalo ngilenza ibackup ngadonsa makafika futhi ubekeza bekame lapho kahle na so mina ngaya eceleni kwakhe la ngiza makasa arasa lapha ngadonsa lento mangidonsa wangibheka so yena bekacabanga ukuthi mhlamba angazi ngenza naye ngasho ngayishaya yamshaya yangena like ngithi ya rap abona igazi lithi mase ngiphakamisa so igazi la phezulu kweshed like waba dizi makaba dizi ngathatha letshe leli elimhlophe lingangamshaya inhloko amshaya inhloko laphuka letshe la liphaliphuka ukuphuka like wawa sekawela phansi sele bengimlanda ngithi ngiyomxoba bangibamba sabayasikhuza lapha yana naye usekadizi didn't know and nami uma sengiphuma lapha mara like angikho sure ukuthi kwenzakalani but my thing is as long iwini yabo sekanamagazi lapha ngiwini that was where the thing is the thing yokuchitha igazi because after leyo nto le I kind of felt ngathi angazi lekama icuku but nomaqhuku awurini kunale gama le like kuba nento ukuthi ngathi kunento like uyahluthuka it started love ukuthi ngivele ngathi kuba nento drive from within that drives me kapha lo muntu yabo yaqala lapho
so now you're harnessing the rage now how then do you face him the next time you meet
same time ngaya kundawo la bekahontsha khona bekusesinukeni ngaya ngathi ngiyana ku-territory ngathi sengimlimazini senginenkani maya ngaya lapha sibengiphethe ijangele ke ngaya kwesinukeni azange ayenze next kwayena mara leyo bengiyifunde from ubushepherd ukuthi once umuntu wamlimaza ngathi it creates fear ngaphakathi kwakhe. It creates fear and nanoma akubona especially like mina the way ngakhona I don't look dangerous nana. I always look like this. Yabo so kunzima to tell what uthukile or in. You understand? But if ngenze something ukuthi yathusa leyo nto le it sent out the message ukuthi hey uzokulimaza. And then I think ngifunde later on ne-aura kunento ekuthiwa i-aura siyibiza isithunzi and then at most isithunzi most of it it's a spiritual thing yabo because kuna that element of you that makes people bakungabheki emehlweni babheke phansi and then mina kwamanje I attribute that ekuchitheni igazi ukuthi after uchitha igazi like kuba ngathi uyagcotshwa and kahle kahle uyagcotshwa but into yakhona it's not something that you see uyagcotshwa.
And then from there, how do you transition then? You have done what you did there. How do you then evolve from that?
Ile nto leya ngithi lapha ento awuhambi kunama territory awuhambi kunama territory like kunama territory ama crazy dog bakuna some gang bathi crazy dog yabo so awuhambi mina bengihamba zonke kune Queenstown bekugcwele amaXhosa kakhulu ngiyahamba lapha so nokuthi mawuhamba la estradini hey wena wakuphi yabo ephethe ijangele ngaleso sikhathi and sometimes I think ngaleso sikhathi futhi bese because ekhaya bese kunzima. I remember we used to eat from ukudla kwase dustbin bekuna i-dumping site bekuna laba kufika all the trucks from I think ama retailers ukudla okwenzi chithe lapho so we will go lapho so butha inyama nanani sifaki anyanisi ne garlic ukuthi nganuki isidle so mina yangifakile engangiyazi leyo life leyo from my upbringing bengu-cheese boy bengu-shepherd boy ukudla was never a problem yabo ngibene into yokudla kuphela mase ngiganganyana but not to that extent ukuthi udle dustbin angiyene leyo ukuthi mina bekuyimi bengikhona ukuyi-accepta because I was taking care of myself so I would mangitshontsha udlani bengena nkinga but now umama wami ngihlala naye she can't take care of me and then ungitshela lezi zinto angitshela zona and now like angi-introduce ekudleni edustbin yabo that engaleyo so sometimes I would just walk around and I wasn't really conscious ukuthi ngiyenzani but ngathi bengifuna ukuventa and ukuventa ukuthi the only way ukuventa ukuthi kumele ngilwe abayona uhlangana nomXhosa ikutshela ngento I'm not saying abantu bangangizwa kabi ukuthi maybe nginenkinga namaXhosa I'm just saying ukuthi kule ndawo eQueenstown thola ukuthi uzothola out yomXhosa seyifuna ukukubuza ngizoyikwaza because angikhuluma ngeke ngikhulume ngisondela ayifika la base ngibona ukuthi imali ebusweni bami vele ngibambe ngikhipha umese ngafunda la ukuthi umese you have ngoba they used to do lento le khona lapha ama gangsters they used to do manilo bebasithatha sithu basimise so ngi2 banimise so abaqeda bamba amabhande so akuniki okapi aniqedeni so lapho mele i-okapi sesikhwameni banibamba baniphethe okapi nawo phethe okapi bathi asiye mele ukwazi ukufaka into ukwazi ukuthi i-okapi make sure ukuthi ayithi like that moment le otherwise yokubulala lo muntu so ufunda lento lo so ufunda inhliziyo embi ufunda those moments mara mina angaze yenzeka kimi abantu bangayizwa kabi into beyenzeka besiyibona like ama gangsters so mina ngoba bengingekho i-gangster bekuyinto ukuthi maybe I think bebayenza kakhulu among the camps within the camps ukuthi maybe mina nawe siyadelelana kunto and then kuzothiwa ukuthi before ubani umele abe boss between you so nayiqeda kumele nikwazana ngaleyo ndlela leyo eliminate in order for you ukuthi nikwazi ukwenza into so I saw that so mara mina bengihalela to be honest ngafunda la ngilibele ngiyapractice ukuthi okay if ngiyithola le moment ngimunye fast yabo mara zanki ngithole le opportunity
okay so
ngithanda izinto dangerous like ngithanda like anything with violence ngiyifuna
yes so when that guy comes up to you then
amkwazi ijangele se already sayivulekile right awulibele uyenza yona And then because the thing is, mina ngigcine ngiba self-conscious in a way that I knew ukuthi I don't look like a threat. So abantu ngeslokishi sithi uza ngobuso. Uza la to your face akudelela afuna ukukhuluma asixoxela mina ngikhipha into and he didn't see it coming. Mawumbamba fast sometimes juri bengithanda ukugqoka ama reef. I-reef ngayithanda lapho le bhutheni into uthi i-reef bawumkhahlela la ushaya ngebhathu la uyawa umuntu because insimbi angithi umuntu shaya ibhathu velawe makawa lapho so yamdazela. And at that time mina ngihappy anginankinga ngibone anything wrong because at that time my concept was people are evil. So doing evil into yabantu because nami bangenza evil ngemncane and I did nothing wrong and no one was there to help me out. Labazali laba bengihamba nabantwana babo mangabe siyotshontsha ama-benches angithi sabantu basitshontsha ama-benches senza i-mistake kuwisihlahla lapho maybe siphula the whole branch ubaba walapho mangeza kuzoshawa mina for the whole group. I understand. So uyabona uyasho ukuthi these people couldn't tell like why mele kube yimi engenza ngibayenza siyenze esabangani. So ugcina sewuba nalento abantu babi even nobaba la longikhulisile lo bengilusa lo baba bekangishaya but into engithanda bekangishaya ngoba I deserved but ebekakushaya kunalesithwebu lesimnyama lesi ento lesimnyama lesi sithandwa abo taxi drive akushanga le khona lawa bangishaya khona ngadumba bangidumbile like bekakushaya umzimba wakho ngizwa ngathi ngiround akushaya. So wabona that pain leyo I didn't know ukuthi yagcwalela and by build up nami ukuthi hayi man ukulimaza into yethu salimazana. So mina in my head I was just in my ngicela sengitrainer my conscience to say ukulimaza umuntu into yabantu nabakulimazile there was no cops mus. So now mobalimaza don't think cops just do because bayenzile ku.
So that guy, what happened to him?
I don't know. I don't.
After you were done with him,
ngiyahamba sala laphulela ngibaleka phela ngise territory lakhe ngise territory lakhe ngiphume lapho ngibaleka. So the thing angaziwa akho lula to describe me because I'm just umfana nje odizi bengumfana odizi like umfana odizi nje ngiyabaleka then and then anginabangani abafana bekunabafana kule kasi bengihlala ku usisi kabusi khona lo mntana lo ucula ubusi busi umntana kubo ubusi bekahlala same street la bengihlala khona ubusi wasekhuma uyacula ubusi bekacula no kuna nengoma zenzile Superman lo ngimazi life in real life umntana kubo naye bekayi gangster so bekuyintwana encane kimi zona so hizo benginobloma nazo yabo sometimes lama gangster abafuna ukuzihlupha abathola mina ngizophakama zihambe lezi yabo so bezingithanda so bekuyabantu nyana engibloma nabo badawa sanginabangani I go to school anginamngani because I always look weird. There was something wrong. It's either icathulo short yami yabo so ile nto yenza ukuthi ngi withdraw I was kind of antisocial.